Okay, so it did pick up some heat. No surprise there. No arcing that we could discern, therefore no chance of setting it off. So now we're going to add some scraps of aluminum foil to provide good arcing surfaces. Should be two pieces kind of sort of close to each other.
Well, all these little points is what I'm interested in.
Yes.
And we're gonna try to get thermite between them too. That is actually some warmth right there.
Alright, in it goes. Fascinatingly enough, I do not hear any arcing.
Yeah, we got a lot of background noise. Just heard something.
So I think I've got a hypothesis. I think that all that iron oxide is absorbing the radiation.
Yeah, it could be absorbing the microwaves.
It's not allowing induction to take place, not allowing electrical charge to build up, no arcing. I take that back. Cut power, cut power.
Well, there goes the protective liner for the microwave.